Namaskar, myself Sharmila Bhattacharya on behalf of Sharmila TechSart today at my YouTube channel. I welcome you all, my divas, my patrons, my friends and well-wishers. You have come to know by this time that we have got our own workshop. আমাদের নিজেদের ওয়ার্কশপ রয়েছে যেখানে আমরা ব্লক প্রিন্ট করে থাকি, হ্যান্ড পেইন্টিং করে থাকি। এটা এখন পর্যন্ত সকলেই জেনে গেছেন। তো আমি আজকের কিছু মটকা তসর দেখাবো এবং প্রথমে আমি মোডাল সিল্ক দিয়ে শুরু করে মটকা তসরে চলে যাব যেগুলো আমাদের নিজেদের ওয়ার্কশপে প্রিন্ট করা হয়েছে। সো আই স্টার্ট উইথ মোডাল সিল্ক. I am wearing one red color modal silk today. This is also a beautiful sari. You see, this is the palla of the sari, ajrak print. Ajrak print. This red is little rust also in color, you can say. So this is a pretty sari, and this is my sari number 1 today. And sari number 2 is another one. This is indigo work, indigo blue and red. You can see modal silk, 4,600 is the price, very reasonable price. Bishon bhalo shari, good fall, fine drape, bishon comfortable and good for rainy season, all the seasons, any function, because it has got a gloss on it. This is the palla of the sari, ajrak print. Ajrak vegetable dye. Be careful about the screen print of ajrak. This is not screen, this is hand block print. This is how you would look in the sari. This is a sari. See what a good fall it has. Bishon bhalo fall sharitar. So eita hocche amader number 2 sari ajker indigo blue color er 4,600. Now I go to the third sari. It is black in color. Ajrak print again. All these saris have blouse pieces. This is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of the third sari, and black color, black, red, off-white, very bright sari. See, this is the palla. This is the palla of the sari, and this is how you would look when you drape it. Very good fall, ভীষণ ভালো ফল শাড়িটা, পরে খুব আরাম, ঠান্ডা শাড়ি একটা। তো I hope you have liked it. 4,600. I go to my number 4 sari today. Number 4 is a modal silk with some zari work also at the palla. This is very nice green color. These are all vegetable dye, hand block printed sari. আমার বাঙালি বন্ধুরা সবাই ইংলিশ বোঝেন, তো একটু মার্জনা করবেন। আমি সকলের জন্য বলছি এটা পাল্লা শাড়িটার, যাতে সবাই বুঝতে পারেন। So this is the sari. You see beautiful flower design on green and maroon and yellow. These are the colors. Very good drape. Very nice sari. This is the fourth one. Now I go to some matka tussar saris which are hand block printed in my own workshop. Number 5. These are 3,350 in price. Very reasonable, very good quality matka tussar. We never compromise with quality. We at Sharmila TechSart only work with pure saris. No duplicate saris we work on with. So this is the sari, very nice light mauve color and discharge print, geometric, very corporate look. You can go to your office with this sari. So this is how you would look. 3,300 in price with blouse piece. All these saris have blouse pieces. This is the work that you will get at the blouse. Next I go to my next sari. You will get the prices on the screen also. My phone numbers go on the screen. Please do take screenshot, subscribe our channel so that you get the next notifications. This is English green in color. This is the palla. Matka Jari Tussar, West Bengal hand woven sarees. very soft summer wear. And this is the sari. Block printed discharge. This is called discharge print. 3,350. This mudra is again a masterpiece of our workshop. You know that I am one manufacturer. I manufacture all these block printed sarees in my own workshop. This is the blouse piece of the saree. As it has come first, I show you the blouse piece, and this is the palla of the saree. See, this saree looks so bright, very ethnic. See, this is the saree. You would look like this when you drape it. Very bright black color is the body of the saree, on which you get red and orange. Red and orange go very well with black. This is how you would look. 3,350 again is the price. Our phone numbers are going. Please subscribe and share our channel so that we reach more and more people. First, I am trying to get the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece of my next matka sari. This doesn't have a jari border, but equally good sari. As it doesn't have a jari border, this is 3,100 in price. This is the sari. This is the palla. Block printed in my own workshop. I'll have to, this is the front part. I'll have to show you the plait portion of the sari. This is the plait portion. This is the plait portion of the sari. So it would look like this when you drape it. Very bright maroon color, 3,100. Next is again jari border, 3,350. Prices will go. You won't have to worry about the price range. The blouse piece is green, again English green. Very small prints you will get on it. Floral print made in our own workshop. This is the palla of the sari. And when you drape, the sari would look like this. This is the sari. Small discharge print, floral, whole body goes like this. Very sober sari. You can wear them at your office. These are all home washable. Remember, these are all home washable sari. And only give it to the press wala. You won't have to give it to any for any polish or dry clean. No, very easy maintenance. Black and peach color discharge print. This is the palla. Now see the sari. Black and peach, very nice contrast. See, this is how it would look. Very beautiful sari, 3,350. Now I saw one rust color or brick color, you should say. This is not rust totally, this is brick color. This is a blouse piece. Blouse piece of the sari, jari border tussar, woven in West Bengal, very good quality sari, thick sari. You won't have to starch them, these are all without starch. This is the palla. Palla of the sari. Same print actually, the last one was green and this one is brick color. 3,350. Another one is without jari. Those without jari are 3,100. 200 rupees less. This is the next sari, 3,100. Matka tussar. Today I am showing matka tussar only. This is a geometric print, very corporate look. You wear it, go to your office. Summer wear, all the year you can wear it. This is the sari. Next one is again without jari, 3100 I show you. Again printed by us only. You can say this is a single piece in whole India. See the sari, how gorgeous it is. This is the base color of the sari, is a color made by us. See the color. You won't get this color anywhere else. We have made it. See, this is the paisley with red off-white as the border of the sari. The whole sari goes like this. 3100 is the price. I show you next jari border tussar. Discharge print. Discharge colors are very costly. This is a different type of print, block print always, but discharge is a different technology. So, handmade one. This is the palla of the sari. Now the sari is like this, floral, English blue in color, white and blue combination. Very sober day wear sari. You can wear them at daytime. They won't be that dazzling for others' eyes. Very soothing. Very soothing. This is the plate portion. I show you another without jari, 3100 in price, very nice green color. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Each sari has got a blouse piece in it. This is the blouse piece. You can take a screenshot as you have been doing and encouraging our production. This is the palla. This is the palla of the sari. Egyptian block with some temple work. Geometric and Egyptian. Very nice green color. This is the sari. Half of the sari has got these small buttas and the 18-inch is the lower portion towards your plate. 3100 in price. This is again a powder blue color. This is a new type of block. This is blouse piece of the sari. Each sari has got blouse pieces that I am showing today. This is the palla. The palla has jari, so we don't make that more clumsy. So this is the block, you see the keys. The key block, it has been discharged like this. Next one is again rust color. Rust color, matka jari tussar, 3315 price and discharge. This is the palla of the sari. And this is how it goes. This is how it goes. Very gorgeous, home washable, soft, no starch on them. Not much care also. This last one has got some kantha work. I have made some kantha work with this. So its price is little higher. It will be 4200. This is light peach in color. This is the blouse piece of the sari. And the sari is like this. This is the palla. As it has jari work in the palla, we don't make much. And this is how it goes. Beautiful peach color. And the kantha work I like to show. This is in panels, that small kantha works. Now I go to check silk. Check silk batik. Batik made on check silk. This is shaded dye sari. Crack you get in the blouse piece. This is the cracked blouse piece, and this is the palla of the sari. Beautiful blue and green mixed shade. Hand batik. And this is how the sari looks. Check silk panel batik print. 4,200 is the price because of batik. Check silk, very soft. Now you get another matka with block print. This is the blouse piece, off-white color, very small print, ethnic print. You can gift it to any elders during this festival time coming. See, this is the palla. Paisley work is there in the palla. This is the palla of the sari. This is how it would look. Small prints and small border. This is block print made at matka, striped matka. This is the blouse piece. The sari's price is 2700. Another check silk, its price is 3100. Price is 3100. Sari is like this, block printed by us, hand painted. Om is written at the palla like this. This is hand painted. Now the block, as it is hand painted, you get it at 3100. Half green and half brown. This is the sari, parrot green, and the blouse piece is brown. This is the blouse piece. The last sari of today's episode is again a matka, very soft and comfortable for you to gift somebody, to your mother-in-law, to your mother. See the sari, its palla is like this. See, this is the palla of the sari, very intricate block prints, intricate work. And this is how you would look when you drape it. No red color used. Those who are not able to use red, the last two saris are for them. This is the sari with blouse pieces. All the saris have blouse pieces in them. This is the blouse piece of the sari. You will get this print at the hand portion of the blouse. 3100 is the price of it. So let's end here today. I hope you have liked the saris, different saris, mainly the modal silks and the tussars, and last 4 are 2 check silks and 2 matkas. Thank you today for watching us. Subscribe us please.